What we have here is a large case of big, hairy fraud. This is Loki. He's 8 years old. He's a neuter boy. And he always claims he doesn't like kittens. He complains when they're around. He goes, "Wow, wow, wow," and he smacks them on occasion. But what do I find when I come up to my bedroom? I find he's giving 3 of them a cuddle. One of them, Mr. Ron, was even trying to extract milk from him a minute ago, and Loki didn't bat an eyelid. And he just washed Stewie's head. Hey, baby. Brrp. Here's little Carrie, now called Phoenix. Yes, you have a belly, Stewie. Yes, you do. See, this could all end in disaster any minute now. Oh, it's going to get disastrous. Oh no, Stewie's simply getting another wash. Well, here's another member of the Loki fan club. No, Stewie, no, he's not going to serve you drinks. Oh dear. I sometimes think Loki has gender confusion issues. He'd have made a great mummy. There's my good boy, aren't you? Yes, you are. You're my lovely good boy. You're very patient. Yeah, don't like that though, do you? Oh, this is all going to degenerate horribly. Stewie's really pushing it. Problem is, he's treating Loki like he would treat either Tia or Toki, who are both effectively his mums. And he hasn't really yet learned that other cats who aren't related to him don't take too kindly to that sort of thing. Yes, Stewie, yes, you're a boy. Well done. Oh no, we're going back to sleep? Okay, I think we'll leave things there while everybody's still relatively good-humoured.